Hi, Jenny Leigh Hodgins with yourcreativechord.com, again, bringing you a little tip from my new ebook, What You Need to Know, Have, and Do to Start Piano Right. I just released this ebook. You can grab it with the link below, and it's half price all the way through December, which is exciting, practically giving it away. And I wanted to bring you a tip. If you're interested in piano, one of the first things that people usually ask is, what kind of keyboard do I need? Well, it depends how committed you are. If you've got a child that's just kind of exploring, or a teenager that's maybe interested but you're not sure of their level of commitment, or you as an adult just kind of want to put your toe in the water and check it out, you may not want to fling for, a Steinway grand piano. You may not even want to swing for an acoustic upright piano. You might just want to check it out and see if you really are interested. So I have many times suggested to my students, if you're just trying it out, it is perfectly okay to buy a 61 key soft action keyboard, which you can get pretty much everywhere, from Amazon, Walmart, Target, all over the place, music stores, for around $100. And by saying that, that getting a 61 key soft action keyboard is a great way to start to see if you're interested in learning piano. I know that by saying this, that many of my colleagues and other piano teachers might want to flog me or fling me out the window for saying that. But the reality is, you want to know that you're committed, and you need to be able to invest as much as you can afford to see if you're committed. And if you can't afford more than that, then it's a great way to start. Having said that, if you get a 61 key keyboard, within 6 months and maximum 1 year, you're going to need to upgrade to continue piano. And by that time, you should really know if your child or your teenager or yourself is committed. And at that point, you definitely want to get a better quality instrument to play. If you don't, you're risking learning bad technique. You're risking not being able to fully develop the muscles of a young child in the correct way, because a light action keyboard that is typical of a 61 key keyboard that you can find pretty much anywhere is not the same kind of resistance or action or weight in each key that you will find in an actual piano. So if you want to know more in detail about what kind of keyboard do you recommend, what kind of piano could I get if I want to skip the keyboard, all of that information is covered in my new ebook, What You Need to Know, Have, and Do to Start Piano Right. Check it out. And if you have questions, please comment, send me a question. I'm happy to do my best to answer it. And thank you so much for listening, and I really hope you take the plunge to learn piano. It's a wonderful way to benefit yourself with all kinds of health and emotional and psychological wellness. And stay tuned for my next video, which gives you a little more information about that.